Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to get CuriosityStream for free legally. So if you've seen videos claiming there's a secret trick to unlock CuriosityStream forever without paying, then here's what you should know. The truth is there isn't a legitimate way to permanently access CuriosityStream for free. However, CuriosityStream occasionally offers official promotion or free trial offers through selected partners. Depending on your region, some internet providers, streaming bundles, or promotional campaigns may include a CuriosityStream subscription at no extra cost. So for that, you need to visit the official CuriosityStream website and check the current subscription page to see whether any promotions are available. And you should avoid websites or apps claiming to generate free CuriosityStream accounts, since many are scams that can compromise your personal information. So that was the legal way to get CuriosityStream for free. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.